Hello guys, my name is Manisha. I'm from India, Punjab, and right now I'm in Dubai. I want to share one of my experience in the past when my kid was 4 years old. Since last 4 years since he was born, I was taking him to random doctors every week. I have to spend a lot of money on the viral medicines he was getting cough and cold a lot. So I decided to show him to ENT specialist because most of the times he was snoring in the night and he was not able to breathe well, so we have to give him steam and everything. Then we decided to visit all the good hospitals in Chandigarh. One of them is PGI. Every doctor recommended me the operation of the kid. He was at that time he was just 5 years old, so due to the pressure of family I had to get the operation done. But when I took the dates and talked to the doctor about the guarantee and the results of the operation, they said that we cannot guarantee, it may come back. And he was having a 4th grade adenoids at that time. It was very hard for him to sleep, and even he was not able to hear. He, in the reports, it said that 25% his hearing capacity has been lost. Then I researched on internet. I found this channel, Hare Krishna Yog Mandir. In this channel, I requested Meena Didi to help me with the case. She requested the consultation. Then she said that yes, it can be cured, and I was so happy at that time because I took my son from the operation theater back because I cannot see him under the knives to cut his eardrums and put the pipes there for draining the clogged water from the ear, even when there is no guarantee. Even I tried a lot of medicines, but with the treatment of Meena Didi Yog Mandir, Hare Krishna Yog Mandir, I am so blessed that my son is totally cured today. He is 8 years. Since last 2 years when I have taken the treatment, he has built so much of immunity that we don't have to go to any doctors. Even the treatment is so easy and simple that every time you get the viral or something, you can treat it at home only. So the results are very good. Even I have taken treatment for my own ear allergy, my knee pain. I am feeling so blessed. I am so happy with the treatment. We will try attach the reports. In reports, he got sinus and he got the mildly tilted bone of the nose and tonsillitis plus adenoids. She was able to detect all these, and she was able to treat all the diseases which were written in the reports. She was able to straighten the bone without medicine, without opening up the nose. That's, to my surprise, is not possible. I'm shocked with that. But today my son doesn't have tonsillitis. He doesn't have any of the adenoids issues, no grade adenoids. His hearing capacity is fully back and his sinus is fully treated. He doesn't sneezes. He doesn't get any cough and cold. Even he if he gets, we don't go to doctor. That's a good news. Thank you so much, Didi. So I highly recommend Didi, and I don't want any of the kids to be under knives. So please trust and give some efforts to kids, because it really requires effort with the kids to treat them. It's like the treatment is like you have to work on it, on the diet to build the immunity, and you have to work on the root cause. When the root cause is not there, adenoids cannot come back, and they give the maintenance also, so that you keep repeating the points, colors and therapy, so that the kid is in good health every time. So I highly recommend, please do not take your kids to doctors. I know it's hard when it's urgent. Even I was in an emergency situation, still I decided. My son's face turned blue and red when he was not able to breathe. We were taking him to operation theater, but I believed in God. I trusted the therapy, and it took time. It took like whole 3-4 months to come back to normal, and from the day one it worked. it was like magic. She's magical, I must say. So I highly recommend. Thank you so much, Hare Krishna Yog Mandir. Thank you so much, Meena Didi. And the viewers, please, 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 if you are looking for adenoids operation, don't go, just trust. Thank you so much.